Today we will be reviewing the Dreampark 5-pack of Rubik's Cube puzzles. Only 3 of these are actually cubes, though. We have a classic 3x3 Rubik's Cube. All of these are stickerless, so no cheating. We have a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It does have a pink side. It pretty much just replaces red in this. There is the mirror block cube. This thing is monochrome. It's got its name because the first one was actually made of glass, and it gets mixed up because all the pieces are different sizes. The objective is to put it back into cube form. We have a Pyraminx, which is a pyramid Rubik's Cube. And last and definitely not least is the Megaminx. It's a dodecahedron with 12 faces, and is definitely the most difficult of these Rubik's Cubes. The Pyraminx is actually the only one that is magnetic. I don't know why it's the only one, though. The pyramid Rubik's Cube was actually given 5-star difficulty rating, but I just solved it. And the 3x3 and the mirror block, they're actually pretty much just the same thing. You could think of each height as colors and use that to solve it. And the 2x2, is also pretty easy for me. It just takes some practice and learning, and you can solve all 5 of them. And I have solved this a few other times, but it just takes way too long. So yeah, that is the Dreampark 5-pack of stickerless Rubik's Cubes.